Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to automatically delete your Telegram account on your PC. It's a simple process, so let's dive right in. First, open the Telegram app on your PC and make sure you have it installed and logged in. Next, look for the three lines icon at the top left corner of your screen and click on it. A menu will pop up. Find and click on Settings. Within the Settings menu, locate and select Privacy and Security. Scroll down until you find the Delete My Account section. Underneath it, you'll see an option that says If Away for. Click on that option and a drop-down menu will appear. In the menu, you can choose the duration you want to allow for account self-destruction. You'll see options like 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year. Once you've selected your preferred duration, simply click on Save to apply the changes. That's it. Your Telegram account will now automatically delete itself after the specified period if you remain inactive. Thanks for watching our tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. See you in the next one.